You know what? Every morning when we stand in front of our wardrobe, we don't really think too much. Out of so many clothes we have collected over the years, we just pick one thing without even realizing it. And that is our favorite denim pants. It's quick, it's easy, and honestly, it feels like the safest option for office wear. Denim has become that everyday go to for us. Whether we are running late, feeling confused about what to wear, or just want something comfortable, jeans always win. And that's exactly why we keep repeating the same styling again and again without even noticing it. But here is the problem. Somewhere in this fast routine, we have started making our office look a little too casual. The same old skinny jeans, overfaded styles, or heavily ripped pattern. They slowly take away that polished and confident vibes we want to carry at work. But now in 2026, it's time to pause and rethink this habit. Not to stop wearing denim, but to restyle it in a smarter, more balanced way. Because the right denim, if styled properly, can still be comfortable and look elegant at the same time. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to style your denim pants for the office in a way that feels modern, look put together and gives you that confident presence throughout the day without overcomplicating anything. Let's fix those small mistakes and upgrade your everyday denim style together. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Style Equation. If you're new to my channel, just a short intro here. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance, and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So let's discuss today's topic on how to upgrade your denim pants in 2026 to create perfect office look. Also, we will discuss about the mistakes to avoid while wearing denim to office. So let's get into it. Let's start with mistake number 1. Too casual look with denim pants. So every day we often notice when we pick any skinny jeans, usually heavily faded or lightly washed, and just pair it with sleepers or flip-flop because it feels easy and comfortable. And honestly speaking, we all have done this, including me. It is fine when you leave the house, but once you reach the office, really something feels off. The whole look starts leaning more towards casual outing rather than a work-oriented outfit. The problem here is not with denim, it's how casual the combination becomes. When the jeans are already very light and faded and you add a sleepers, then the entire outfit loses structures. Now the simple fix is switch to a slightly darker or cleaner denim. Go for a flared or relaxed fit in a deeper shade instead of the lighter one. And instead of sleepers, just change your footwear to sneakers, loafers, or even small block heel sandals. You'll immediately notice how the same denim starts looking more put together without losing comfort. Next is mistake number 2, the unbalanced white jeans problem. Now white or light color jeans look very fresh, but many times we end up styling them in a way that doesn't even feel balanced, like wearing skinny white jeans with a short fitted top, especially in low or mid-waist style. It can feel slightly uncomfortable and not very work appropriate, I can say. In real life, especially in office, when I sit and move around or walk into meetings, we often feel like something is not sitting right. That's because the overall proportion is off. A better way to fix this is to go for a off-white or beige high-waist flared jeans. Pair it with a slightly loose shirt and just tuck it inside, and add a belt, and suddenly your whole outfit looks more structured and elegant. Even grey straight fit or bootcut jeans works really well for daily office wear. Just pair them with a loose black or white tees, tuck it inside, and you are sorted. And if you like to wearing light color pants like me for a meeting, I have also shared a detailed video on how we can avoid mistakes with light color pants and style it in a balanced way for a perfect office look. You can check that after watching this video, link is in the description. Next is mistake number 3, the ankle fit issue with jeans. This is a very small detail, but it makes a very big difference. When we see the combination like skinny jeans with ankle length plus low waist jeans with flat footwear, it often cuts your body line in a very strange way. Maybe you might not notice it instantly, but it can make your overall look feel shorter and slightly compressed, I can say. Especially when you are walking or standing for a long hours. It doesn't give that smooth flowing look like the flared one. Now the fix is very simple here. Choose always high waist straight fit jeans instead of skinny one. Let the fabric fall naturally instead of sticking tightly at the ankle. Pair it with a sneakers or a simple sandals. What it will do? It creates a longer, cleaner line from top to bottom and you automatically look more balanced without putting in extra effort. Next is mistake number 4, the heavily fitted denim look. Undoubtedly, ripped jeans are always fun, but when the cuts are too much, especially around the knees and thighs area, honestly it starts looking a bit casual for office, which now we should stop wearing in 2026. Many times we try to balance it with white sneakers, but the real problem is this kind of denim itself already draws too much attention in a non-professional way. Instead, go for a clean bootcut or straight fit jeans with minimal or no distressing. If you still want a bit of style, I can say, choose denim with slightly self-work or textured one, or structured designs like this. But make sure the cut should be straight fit or I would say bootcut one. Pair it with textured sneakers, like these are the trends of 2026 nowadays, or even flat loafers. This way, your outfit still feels stylish but in a more polished and works in an appropriate way. Next is mistake number 5, choosing black jeans with skinny tights. I know black jeans are favorite for many of us, including me, because it looks very professional. But when they are skinny, low or mid-waist, and slightly bunch up or getting wrinkles at the ankle area, the whole look starts feeling unbalanced. Even though black is a stronger color, the whole fit can make it look less sharp. A better approach is to go for a high waist black jeans in flared or straight fit one. Add a belt and pair it with a slightly heel waist sandals. This instantly lifts your posture, smooth out the silhouettes and gives you that much cleaner finish. And if you love wearing black bottom wear like me, I have also created a detailed video on how to style black pants for both office and casual look. If you want, you can explore that after watching this video. Link is in the description. In the end, let's discuss bonus tip what actually works in 2026 when we are choosing jeans design for office work. Now if we talk about overall trend in 2026, one thing is very clear. Denim is moving towards darker shades like deep blue, indigo, etc. These colors naturally look more polished and are much easier to style for office. Another important thing is the waist fit designs. While some people still prefer to wear mid-waist, in that case, personally, I always suggest to go for a high-waist jeans. The reason is simple. It gives better support, creates that cleaner shape, and feel more secure and relaxed throughout the day. And when it comes to the bottom fit, avoid anything too tight around the ankle. Instead, go for a flared, loose or straight fit one. These styles are not only more comfortable and breathable, but they also give a more balanced and elegant look overall if we compare the wearing with any skinny jeans. At the end of the day, the goal is not to overthink fashion, but to make it simple, smart changes that make you feel confident in every single day. So, as we are now wrapping up the video, let's discuss the summary part. Overall, it's not about stopping denim wear for office. It's about wearing it in the right way. Or I can say it's time to upgrade your denim in 2026. We saw how small mistakes like very faded skinny jeans, too many cuts, wrong fit or low waist can make your look feel more casual without even noticing it. And really, the fix is actually very simple, which we already discussed. Go for a cleaner, darker shade. Choose always high waist fit, perhaps always straight fit or flared style instead of tight ankle fit one. And just start pairing them with the right footwear. Believe me, these small changes can make your everyday denim look more balanced, more elegant, and more confident for office. So, if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And before you go, take a quick look at your current jeans. You'll instantly know which one need an upgrade or not. So, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.